How you guys doing today? Welcome everybody to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. And as you can see, enjoying a little bit of a beer and a little chotito of mezcal. Nothing better than Mexico. And for all of you guys, tequila lovers, please hang out because you're gonna love this scene. This is my top 3 margaritas to enjoy for this summer, only here in Hey Bartender. All right, so tequila, mezcal, and cerveza estrella Jalisco. What else you can ask? I mean, seriously, Mexico. What else you can ask? Food, culture, mezcal, tequila, cerveza. Man, this is just like paradise. And now that I am mentioning Mexico, I kind of like I got the other day homesick, and I was telling production that I kind of like miss hanging out with my friends and just like hang out with the boys over there by the neighborhood. So originally I was born in Puebla, really near to Mexico City, but I live in Mexico City for about 14 years. So that being said, I would like to set un pequeño momento para decirles hola a toda la bola de canijos del 19, retorno 19 de Avenida del Taller en la colonia Jardín Balbuena. Chicos, se les extraña, the family García Cadena, and everybody from my neighborhood in El Retorno 19 de Taller. I would like to say hi to every single one of you. And like I said, today it's really hot here in the lovely San Diego, California. So I just want to recommend you to do these 3 margaritas that they're like phenomenal. Let's start with our glass and building the first one. This one is called El Palomino. So for this one, you're gonna use 2 ounces of Siete Leguas. The original recipe calls for reposado. However, I have blanco. So, it's tequila, you know? We're fine with that one. Let's go followed by 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Ginger juice. Super awesome. I mean, some people, they really like it. Some other people, like production, hates it. So according with your taste, you can go for like a half of an ounce to 3/4 of an ounce. Go for half an ounce. My suggestion. Agave nectar. Ratio 1:1. That way you don't have to waste your agave. So just like 1 glass of water, 1 glass of 1 cup of water, 1 cup of agave, and then you will have your agave nectar syrup, you know, just to make all this stuff. So you want to go for like a half an ounce. And now the magical touch, licor 43, beautiful herbs and vanilla Spaniard liqueur. Fantastic. If you watch the carajillo, please do me a favor, try it. You're gonna love that little digestive that every single Mexican loves. Now, let's put some ice. Let's give it a good shake. Tall glass. Lots of ice. Let's strain. That was a perfect pour production. And for your garnish, if production can make just a little close up, we have a really cool candied ginger and lime oil. Put them on top, and your straw. That's gonna be the Palomino. Moving forward, this is gonna be the second version of this cocktail that a lot of people enjoy at work. They were like pretty impressed with it. And I kind of like recreate this version, and I make the 2.0 version of it. This is gonna be the Cali Margarita, AKA the Avocado Margarita. So we're gonna start with your tequila, 2 ounces of Siete Leguas, fresh lime juice, 1 ounce. Horchata mix. So the original recipe was just with the horchata syrup, kind of like industrial. It was like really rough and chemical on the taste, so I needed to work out something around that to make it perfect. And thanks to a couple friends and myself, we try, and obviously we love to try it. We come up with this guy. So you're gonna do, this is your ratio. From the horchata mix, put a half measure, let's say half of a cup, by a quarter of a cup of horchata and a quarter of a cup of agave nectar. And you're gonna come up with this really amazing, tasty mix. Let's go for 3/4 of an ounce. And believe it or not, you're gonna get some avocado. So kind of like I helped you don't have to model anything, so you just kind of like I have to like chop it up in its own skin and go for 1 1/4 of avocado. Let's add some ice into our shaker and get some ice on your glass. And let's give it a good shake. You don't need to fine strain it. You just need to do a regular strain. And even if it comes with a couple pieces of avocado, it's okay. The main comment about this delicious margarita is that it tastes like a key lime pie. So I'm not sure about that, but don't forget to put your lime oil, and that's gonna be your avocado margarita. Or the Cali Margarita, California. Avocados from California. All right, and last but not least, from Rancho Valencia, my current job, and one of the most popular margaritas that we have right there, El Jefe, which means the boss. For this one, we're gonna do something very, very, very special. Clase Azul, reposado, 2 ounces. There we go. Grand Marnier, 1 full ounce. Fresh lime juice. 1 full ounce. Agave nectar, 1/2 ounce. Put some ice. Bit of a shake. And if you happen to have the time, just like I did the other day, and have some empty bottles of those babies up there, well, you can come up with something like this. Crush ice. Perfect, all the way to the top. Pour your cocktail. Oh my God, this thing looks so yummy. Add the lid and your straw. So, there you have it, you guys. El Jefe, El Palomino, and the Cali Margarita. So please, don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, never drink and drive. Cheers, everyone. Hasta la próxima.